मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी.
Riding on soaring aspirations, the Narendra Modi government took office 6 months back. From economy to national security, price rise to employment, and ramping up India's standing in the world, the government has acted on fulfilling many promises. The government had assured the people of the return of Achhe Din, and the completion of 6 months merits an assessment on that basis. The first 6 months of the Modi government has seen price of petrol in Delhi falling from 72 rupees a litre to 64. The price of diesel has come down from 57 rupees a litre to 53. This has impacted inflation, bringing down the consumer price index rate to a 5-year low of 5.5% in October. The prices of vegetables, sugar, cement and edible oil among others have eased. The share markets have been touching record heights with higher frequency. The price of gold has also come down from 28,000 levels to the 25,000 rupees range. The government gave relief to the middle class in the annual budget in reducing tax liabilities. There are indications of the growth rate crossing 6% levels by next fiscal. International agencies have bumped up India's credit ratings as well. The government has expressed satisfaction with its performance and is confident of better days ahead.
लोगों को राहत मिली है महंगाई से. दूसरी बात है कि सरकार होने का एहसास आया है. पहले तो सरकार था ही नहीं, पहले तो निर्णय हो ही नहीं रहा था. अब पूरे रोज निर्णय हो रहे हैं, हर मंत्रालय में निर्णय हो रहे हैं और लोगों के लिए सुविधा की बातें बन रही है. विदेश नीति में ऐसी पहल की कि दुनिया में भारत का नंबर बढ़ा.
Among the 6 most major achievements in 6 months is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana for opening of a flood of bank accounts in each household, which has been a runaway success. The Prime Minister has also launched the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana to give an unprecedented impetus to rural development. The government has launched an ambitious initiative, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, with a vision to clean India by the 2nd of October 2019, which is the 150th birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The government has also launched the Make in India mission to transform India into a global manufacturing hub. To give an added edge to economic growth through e-connectivity, the government has also launched Digital India, which will also bring transparency. The PM has also announced the scrapping of the Planning Commission to evolve a new institution which empowers states instead of the Soviet-era command-style model. Apart from these major initiatives, the government has taken several other steps such as hiking FDI levels in defence, railways, insurance and real estate. The allocation process of coal blocks has been reworked. Several big highway projects have been cleared. Old laws are being binned, while Kisan Vikas Patra scheme has been brought back. The government has swiftly cleared long-pending defence acquisitions worth tens of thousands of crores, apart from removing hurdles blocking several strategically important border projects. On foreign policy, the Prime Minister has been on the front foot, hitting boundaries. His dealing with the US, Japan, China and Australia hold the promise of a flood of investments in areas ranging from energy to employment, smart cities to bullet trains. Inviting Barack Obama to be the chief guest at next year's Republic Day celebrations has been described by many as a diplomatic feather in the cap. The PM's visits abroad have energized the Indian diaspora to pitch in for India's development. He's also scored major points by giving back better than what India got over Pakistan's ceasefire violations. There's more on the domestic front. His Mann Ki Baat on radio has established a direct connect with the people apart from the already innovative use of social media and mygov.in. Teachers Day saw him interacting with students, while on Diwali he was with India's braves in Siachen. But for the opposition, there's nothing new in what the government has done during the last 6 months.
घोषणाएं और आश्वासन का जो पिछले 6 महीने इनका रिकॉर्ड रहा है, आम जनता अब चाहती है कि इसका कुछ क्रियान्वयन दिखे, आम साधारण व्यक्ति को कुछ राहत मिले. अभी तक तो अच्छे दिन की जगह अच्छे सितारे ही रहे हैं.
The opposition has its own assessment, but an air of anticipation is coursing through the country. The economy seems to be picking up. 6 months is merely a tenth of the Modi government's tenure. Expecting miracles is unreasonable, but what's clear is the intent to ensure better days ahead. DD News.